Welcome, loves, to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's video, we're going to be doing this bright lip combination, this bright makeup look. It's dark, it's vampy style, and I am obsessed. I really like it. So if you want to know how I got this eye makeup look with the lip combination, please keep on watching and let's get started. We're going to prime the lid first. I'm using my NYX HD primer. You can use any other options. Okay, I have two eyeshadow palettes. You're free to use any eyeshadow palettes available. I have one from Makeup Revolution. If I'm mistaken, it's out of stock, so please substitute it with any similar colors or any similar eyeshadow palettes. But I will set my lid with this beige shade first, so it's not gonna get sticky. The primer is set, and we can move on to colors. Now I want to start with picking some really nice option for the inner and outer corners of my lid. I want to do something smoky, maybe dark, and I will probably go with this grayish color first, and then on top I will lay this black shimmery shade. I have my blending brush. This is a crease brush basically, and let's dip into gray color first, tap it off, and place it in the inner corner like that. It's not giving a lot of pigment, which is actually good for this makeup look because it's super dramatic and a lot of color might be really hard to blend out in the future. So we're gonna cover my face with protection, just regular paper. The same color goes in the outer corner. In my middle section, I'm gonna live out, softly blending out. Okay, and for my outer corner, I want to create a precise line, and with a little bit different brush. This has sort of flat brush, and it has a shape that can help to create a straight and flat line. Guys, it's depending on what kind of like shape you want to have. It can be a V shape, it can be a round shape, so just emit this line in the outer corner and keep on blending. Have flat brush as well, and I want to make sure it's more or less wet, because I want to use some shimmers on top. We're going with a beautiful grayish, kind of black shimmery color. I'll place it in the inner corner like that. I'm not doing anything crazy, guys. It's just a little bit of color. When the shade is on, I'm going with some leftovers of my previous brush and lightly diffusing this shade. I'm going to add a little bit more in the inner corner. I don't want to have any gaps. The same happens for the outer corner of my lid. I'm gonna grab the same color with the same flat brush and use this on top of my previous guideline, like this. It's gonna be super soft. Look at this. I'm stamping my color carefully. I don't want to create a messy makeup look. It's not the purpose of today's video. I'm just stamping lightly, and I'm going with the same brush. For my middle section of the lid, I will use a little bit different color. So first of all, I was thinking about this probably bright silver color from the same eyeshadow palette, or we can do a spooky season look and add a little bit of this. Kind of like, I don't even know, is it a raspberry color? Maybe I want to even mix it with this shade and this. Oh, what if we mix 3 colors? But I don't want to do anything crazy. I want to place it really close to my lash line and maybe drag this a little bit higher, but we'll see. I have my flat brush and I will wet it with my beauty blender. Let's grab 3 different shades. A little bit of this, a little bit of that, and a little bit of that. So we're kind of like mixing them together, tapping them off. This is the shade we have right now. And again, look at the motion. I'm not dragging anything. It's mainly stamping motion. Going back to the same blending brush with leftovers, just lightly mixing these 3 shades together. And I have my black pencil. I will use it for my waterline. And I want to start with a really small brush. Maybe this is the one. And let's use a little bit of black with a mix of dark brown. Mixing these 2 shades together. I'm going to tap it off again from any leftovers, fallouts, and bring this really, really close to my waterline. Now I need a pop of color. I want to create, like, I want to drag this whole attention to my lower lid. So I will start with a little bit different brush, maybe the crease brush as well, and a mix of probably red in this colors. By the way, you can play around and maybe use some other options that you might have in your collection, something red-ish or maybe raspberry colors at the same time, and maybe a little bit of this color. Why not? Tap it off. Ooh, look at the color. I'm gonna do the shade underneath my black. Maybe let's look up and blend on. The final step is going to be eyeliner. We need beautiful black eyeliner on top. I'm going to skip creating a sort of like wing in the outer corner because we have a precise moment right here. But for the lash line, I still need a little bit of black eyeliner. I'm going to start, my routine with Makeup Forever. I hate the one, so I'm picking the one from Catrice and then scraping off a little bit of Makeup Forever product. And of course, I want to do a little bit of this bird shape that I kind of do a lot. I'm gonna try to make it as even as possible. The same shimmers. Blend this line into my eyeshadows. Badass look requires just a little bit of mascara, and I avoid any falsies. And today is no exception. We're gonna do the same routine. I'm using this Catrice Volume and Curl Mascara Curl It. My makeup is in place, and I'm pretty much satisfied with the final result. It looks pretty and dramatic, as always. I want to start doing my lip combination, which is going to be super dark and maybe dark glam at the same time. So we're going to get started with my black pencil. I did a little bit of lip balm on top, so I guess this lip pencil should glide on easily. I have a little bit different lip pencil. This is from Kylie Cosmetics, and the shade is Plum. Okay, I will blend this out with a lip brush. And I have, this is Makeup Revolution Freedom color Pro Lipstick Pure Vamp, and really pretty color. It's burgundy shade. I will do this on top. It's a little bit discoloring from the rest of the look. That's why I was hoping to add a little bit more color on top with the Makeup Forever. This is Alba 501 color. Let's blend this out with the same brush. And on top, I'm going to place Givenchy lip gloss. This is black, color 16. Well, it's given a little bit of Beetlejuice vibes, but for now, it's looking really, really pretty. I love it. I have an amazing makeup on top of my lids. I love the combination of this dark lipsticks and of course black contour. I guess this is super, super pretty for Halloween if you need glamorous Halloween party attendance and you need some makeup look, or you can skip some steps and substitute this really bright lips with something soft, maybe just a little bit of black lip gloss, or you can use this really pretty lip combination and on top of your lids use something soft. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. This is spooky season, and till my next time, bye bye.